Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to clean up a logo. Specifically, we're going to be taking all of the white out from in between all these black chunks. Now, if we select it all, you can see that there are quite a bit of path overlaps, and we can't just go in and grab the white and delete it due to the way that this graphic was created. So that would be quite tedious. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to remove all that white. So the first thing I did is I locked everything that is outside of this graphic here, because I want to keep the placement of everything else, all this text. So that's all locked, and you can just select that using your direct select tool and Control 2 to lock. So what we're going to do next is we're going to do Control A to select all, which is just going to grab this graphic here. And now we're going to use divide on the Pathfinder tools. And so what that's doing is, if we zoom in, you can see it's going to slice up every little section of this graphic where an overlap happens. So we'll just undo that. And so now what we're going to do is, with the direct select tool, we're going to just grab the white, which is what we want to remove. We're going to go to select same fill color, and now we're going to hit delete. Now you can see that we're left with all the parts of the graphics that we want, but if you do select it, all the elements are still sliced up pretty good. But we could fix that, so we'll just do a Control A, and then we're going to use the Unite under Pathfinder, and there we go. Thanks for watching.